Are you just eating ice? The hell? The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town.
Way too energetic for this.
What do you mean?
I'm glad you got a good shot on my ass.
I'm glad you had a good shake.
I didn't have a good shake.
Dude, my shake was...
It was awful.
Yeah, it was bad.
Because they weren't shakes, they were malts.
Yeah, I guess.
Turn on.
So we're setting up. Hey Drew.
Yo.
While you have this TV here, I need to ask you a question.
Stop at a gas station.
You want it, don't you?
Huh?
Do you want it?
No, I want to ask. Are you sure you don't have any energy drinks mixed with Mountain Dew?
No, I don't have anything.
You sure?
I want to go out and get some later.
So we don't hear in the middle of the night at 3 in the morning, Kim Jong-un take family! No, you don't need a Chinese cow!
It'll definitely happen.
Wait a minute. This is the first time our viewers have seen my new place.
No.
House tour.
Our viewers.
I'm guessing. Ooh, shot glasses.
Shots.
Later.
This is the first time, isn't it?
Yes, it is. So, what do you got? A new house?
Cool.
I'm in a house.
Excuse me.
Oh, I gotta go get my laundry.
Take him with you. Give him a tour.
Yeah, give him a tour. We'll set up and get all.
Here's the batteries.
Okay.
Please fucking go.
Here are the batteries.
God dang it. Oh yeah, this is my bedroom.
Do you have duct tape?
Here we go. No.
Okay.
Wait, I might have some in my car.
Do you feel the love? Have you ever seen that movie? What movie is that off of? Fuck!
He's having a Drew
What movie
moment.
is that off of, Drew? I don't fucking know, man. Oh my god.
Think.
I'm gonna cry.
No.
Drew, what movie is it off of?
What do you mean? I'm gonna need more.
He's at a bar and he goes like this.
No. No. Use all your brain power. Think. No.
You're trying to
brain
make
power.
a funny point
Go.
right now. Okay, listen. So he's like sitting at a bar and he's like, feel the numb. I could. Hold on. Okay. If I look up feel the numb on YouTube,
It's probably gonna be bad. Paul Blart?
Paul Blart.
No.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
That's what it is. That's what it's off of.
Really?
Yeah. I'll look it up right now. He goes, feel the numb. He's like really drunk.
Oh!
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah!
I still have no fucking clue.
See?
Feel the numb.
Yeah. That just popped into my head.
My favorite is when he's running from the plane and he just falls over.
Oh yeah.
Because he has that diabetic thing.
Should we watch Mocha?
It's so
Is that on
funny.
Netflix?
Oh, also the phone ringtone.
Oh. How does that?
I'm the type of guy that you want to chew up on my bubble gum. I'm the type of guy you want to chew up on my bubble gum. It's his daughter's phone.
The guy that wants to give it to you. Okay. I don't know what else comes after that.
I'm so lost.
Hey Bradley, you can take. I want to go get my laundry.
Okay. What am I supposed to say?
Yeah, whatever.
All right. This is cool. Okay. This is my first time.
Get away from me.
This is my
Get away
first
from
time.
me.
My
Get
first
away from
time with a Woody's camera. So hello.
He's gonna drop it, Woody.
No, I won't drop it. I pinky swear. He's not.
This is.
Oh God. All right. So we're setting up
Get away from me.
our which one we'll call it? Oh God. Is this what it feels like to be on crackhead mode?
No, you won't be able to think if you're on it.
Okay, so what's crackhead mode then?
You won't be able to think and you won't remember.
Woody, I think your camera's about to die.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know. What are you doing? House chores.
Hey guys!
What?
Found him.
He's got handcuffs.
I always have handcuffs. You don't know when you'll.
You never know when you're gonna need a pair of handcuffs.
Exactly.
No, I don't think.
That's a lot of socks.
I know. Yeah, that's about 7 days worth. Hi. Welcome to my new place.
Oh my God. Yeah, yeah. Did you even give him a house tour?
No, they can go to my channel.
Shut up. I don't want to hear it.
13 subscribers.
Hey guys.
Hey, what?
What?
So Xbox controller is on, right?
Yeah, is it synced to your Xbox?
It's on.
Are you moving my Xbox stuff?
On.
Are you moving my Xbox stuff? Drew, stop! You're moving my Xbox! Drew! Oh my god.
How?
Look! Come look!
But how?
Come look.
How though? Because I
Come
don't
on.
even have. When have I ever synced?
Drew, your controller,
Whoa.
your controller's attacked.
It's on to his Xbox.
Wait, so if I turn my controller on, will I be connected to yours?
No, it'll be connected to your Xbox.
Wait, stop moving. Okay, that's not fair. Disconnect right now. Get out of here.
Bonus controller.
What? Who's control? Here.
No.
Don't hit me. I have a camera.
Yeah, please don't drop that camera. That was expensive.
That was expensive. Ow, you hit me.
Yours. What did you see it now? Did you get when I was in the car? Damn it. You can't smack away puberty. You didn't. Unisauce.
I don't know.
I haven't seen it yet. I'm that far behind
That
you.
one's so good though.
I know I'm behind.
Uh-oh.
I know I'm behind.
How am I supposed to hold this?
Like a camera, you dingus.
You have one here?
What?
They could be listening this whole time?
plugged in.
Okay.
You want to plug it?
Yeah. Don't want the government hearing my shit and giving it to the Russians.
That's why we have a 10-foot charger, boys.
We have a 10-foot charger.
6-footer.
What is that?
This goes into your controller, into your computer, make me go goo boo goo boo.
Still controlling Bradley's shit.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, wait, what's your Wi-Fi?
Oh, you're gonna love this.
Hey, Ma, I got a quarter.
I got a quarter.
There's a cat outside. Hey, Ma!
That's what I see.
Look at me weird.
Fucking weird cat out here, Ma. In the sink?
Drew.
What did you just do? How do you expect to get that, you fucking tard?
Drew.
You want to see what Drew just did?
Drew.
Why are you so happy?
Sports ball. Drew.
We can get some rocks, it'll fall off.
You look so sick. Drew.
Drew.
Shaky gives you power.
Shaky, give me. Oh no! Woody! Oh no!
It's already started.
What time is it? It's not even.
It's 9 o'clock. He's already.
Woody! Who is this?
Drew, get that fucking hat off of the goddamn light!
That's fucking going at me full speed, just.
Drew, get... Hey, do they even know what happened at the place we just ate? Do you? Hey, we didn't give them the thing that would happen. They don't know about that.
What?
They
The viewers!
don't know about the.
Yeah, they don't need to know. No one's watching these anyway.
Some of these are stiff and some are soft.
What?
The couch.
Yeah, I know. That's a couch.
Don't fucking film me.
So where do I go for this?
Okay, here, your turn. Nope, never mind. What do you go?
Hey, on S Games mode.
How are you gonna get that down? Do not get the pen stuck up there to you! You actually get that pen stuck up there, then you can get that.
No! Hey. Move. Oh. Move.
Stop! You're gonna get the pen stuck in the shoe!
It's not gonna. You're gonna slip.
All over the edge. Chris was gonna walk through the door. We're gonna be sitting here trying to grab a hat.
Like a game. No! Hey! Rude!
Oh, he got it.
Right when I took my shoes off, I'm so scared because this floor is like really.
I know, Mr. Clean.
Accept it.
Bro, I'm gonna like.
Accept it.
Then take off your socks.
Help.
What?
Yeah, you do sink into this couch.
Hey, hold up. I think.
No. Come here.
No, you gotta do this for me. Oh yeah! Is that what you're gonna do, mister?
No.
What, you need belly button?
Fuck.
Oh.
You could eat shit.
No.
I can't even see you.
I can be your Roomba.
And Bradley's down.
I can be the
Be your Roomba.
I can be the Roomba to your floor.
I can be your Roomba. You're just how do you expect to clean everything up? With your mouth?
That's gonna be my next pickup
You
line.
guys have a grill?
We're gonna get shit done.
Ooh. You have a grill.
Yeah.
Come here.
What are you looking at?
Come here.
What the fuck?
Come here. Come here. See what I see?
Oh, what do you see?
Your fucking socks on sideways.
It is on sideways.
So?
Fix it.
No, I don't need to.
Yeah, check your socks.
Yeah, I don't want to get insulted.
Or insocked.
I gotta go.
I have to shit.
You shut it.
No, but in all seriousness, I really have to poop.
Hey, is that part of your cracker?
I just died.
Is that part of your cracker of the floor?
That's not Krager's ice.
You had ice.
They fucking spiced at you.
Just recording till it dies or what?
Yeah, why not?
No outro.
Woody.
Hide. What are you hiding? Drew, my thing's still connecting to the Wi-Fi.
Are you in my closet?
No.
Fuck! It's a good thing I closed that.
Can we both sit here? What did you just stop?
I gotta tap out. Oh, I just hit my head.